The problem in our country, most often it is told, is that when something is not our individual problem, we tend to look away and say it's someone else's problem. Tonight, that question I'm putting to all the viewers on the News Hour tonight, and I seriously think that the politicians on our panel should hear from you, should hear from citizens, should hear from activists tonight. Because the question I'm putting on this panel is very simple. Which side are you on? Are you with Durga Shakti or are you with the politicians? Durga Shakti is a lady who needs support. She cannot speak out. She's already been suspended. You can imagine her situation and her plight. The whole system is out there to victimize her. Ministers are mocking her. The central government is washing its hands off. Akhilesh Yadav pretends nothing is happening. So there is nobody to support this 28-year-old IAS officer. She worked hard. She was 20th in her batch, All India, in 2010, which means she's a brilliant young woman. Do we want the system to kill her spirit? That's the opening question I'm putting on the News Hour tonight. My first question is to Ashok Khemka, who took on Robert Vadra a few months back and has been through it. I don't know how many times you've been transferred. Ashok, what do you think the system is trying to do with Durga Shakti?
Thank you, Arnab. Let me at the outset say that the views expressed in this channel today night are my personal views and not that of the government. Having said so, there is a brilliant lead article today in the Indian Express by one Mr. Guljar Natarajan on the capable state. We are moving to a situation where we are emasculating the capability of the state and making it from a state of maximum governance, minimum government model to a state of maximum government, minimum governance model.
Totally.
The issue of suspending this very young officer and a lady officer for doing her duty, the law laid down by the Honorable Supreme Court of India that no religious structures of whatever denomination is to be allowed illegally on public land. She had taken action and boldly against a religious structure being constructed, and that too a boundary wall, a kacha boundary wall, by prohibiting a larger problem in the future. This action was taken in the name of communal amity to actually please the mining mafia of Noida. And I'll tell you, Arnav, with my experience, very few IAS officers, one in thousands, would be able to take action this lady has taken by registering 20 FIRs against the mining mafia.
Absolutely.
And effectively acting.
Oh yes.
Effectively acting against this mafia. It is not being honest, Arnab. It is being effectively honest.
Absolutely.
Just honest is not going to bring improvement in the system. You have to be effectively honest. And this is what this young lady officer was doing. And I think the nation must stand behind her, and not only stand behind her, it's not only a reinstatement in service, but there are the questions of
an apology. An apology is in order, Ashok. Apology is in order, and I want to introduce, I forgot to introduce all our panelists today. An apology is in order. Abha Singh is a lawyer, social activist here in Mumbai. Anupam Gupta, who's sitting there with Ashok Khemka, is both his friend and his senior advocate. Arun Bhatia knows how the system works against honest officers. He's been a crusader himself, former IAS officer from Pune. Sanjay Bhus Reddy, Mr. Reddy is president of the IAS Officer Association from Delhi. Sudhindra Bhadoria of the BSP. Mayawati got her shoes cleaned at one point of time by a police officer. Vani Tripathi of the BJP. The BJP has also been effective in the past in crushing independent bureaucrats. KTS Tulsi took on Ashok Khemka and criticized him at a time when he was taking on Robert Vadra. KTS Tulsi, senior advocate, welcome. My first question. Second question to Ashok, to Bukal Nawab, who's a leader of the Samajwadi Party and an MLC. Mr. Nawab, आपको तो दुर्गा शक्ति जी को अवार्ड देना चाहिए था. You should have given her an award. Instead, you have suspended her. The whole country is now backing Durga Shakti and you are alone. आप अकेले पड़ गए हैं. सारा देश उनके साथ है. So will you now apologize to her? Will you apologize to her?
देखिए, आपको जो कहना है वो कहिए. सच्चाई जो है, सच्चाई आप उसकी बिल्कुल विपरीत है. अगर हम कहते हैं कि बाउंड्री वॉल के ऊपर उनको जो है उनका सस्पेंशन किया गया, आपका दुर्गा शक्ति नागपाल जी का, हम नहीं कहते कि उसके ऊपर जो है वो उनका सस्पेंशन किया गया, दीवार पर किया गया। हम आज की बात करते हैं। आप खुद ये इस बात को कह रहे हो, आप खुद इस बात को कह रहे हैं कि वहां भू माफिया जो थे, भू माफिया वहां के ऊपर जो है वो खनन कर रहे थे, भू माफियाओं को वो पकड़ रही थी, वो भू माफियाओं को के दम पर उन्हीं ने पकड़े और जिस तरीके से उन्हीं ने वो कार्य कर रही थी। पहला तो सवाल जवाब आप ये दीजिए कि उनको लेके कौन गया था? हमने ही उनको अपॉइंट किया था, हमने अपॉइंट किया।
Please, don't, 1 second. What kind of a thing? When you appointed her, did you tell her when you appointed her that, listen, Durga Shakti, you will have to not take any action against the sand mafia. And if you take action against the sand mafia, we will take action against you. Do you have the courage, Mr. Nawab, to say that you have punished an honest officer for taking on the sand mafia? You want IAS officers who allow your corruption? You want IAS officers who allow the mafia to operate? आप सबसे पहले मीडिया पे चढ़ जाते हैं। आपका एक ही है कि आप मीडिया को क्रिटिसाइज करेंगे, आप ऑनेस्ट आईएएस ऑफिसर्स को क्रिटिसाइज करेंगे, आप सारे दुनिया भर को बुली करेंगे।
मीडिया चढ़ने नहीं जाते, नहीं मीडिया
मत जाइए प्लीज, बिकॉज आप कॉन्ट्रडिक्ट हो जाएंगे।
प्लीज नहीं, एक मिनट, एक बात का सिर्फ आप ये जवाब दे दीजिए कि हमारे ऊपर इल्जाम, हमने मान लिया, हम आप लोगों की बात से मान लिया कि हम खनन करा रहे थे, हम चोरी करा रहे थे, हम डकैती करा रहे थे, हम डंपर भरवा रहे थे, हमने अवैध खनन का कार्य हम कर रहे थे। आपके कहने के मुताबिक हमने मान लिया और मानने के बाद और इस बात का आपको जवाब देना पड़ेगा। अगर दुर्गा शक्ति नागपाल जी को अगर सस्पेंड किया गया है तो क्या हम उनका ट्रांसफर नहीं कर सकते थे? अगर हमको खनन माफिया,
आप डराना चाहते हैं। पहली बात तो यह है मिस्टर नवाब, एक मिनट, लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग मिस्टर नवाब। नो, वन थिंग, यू आस्क्ड मी अ क्वेश्चन, लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, ऑन द न्यूज आवर आई आस्क्ड द क्वेश्चन। मैं प्रश्न करता हूं, आपने प्रश्न मुझे क्या उल्टा, आप जवाब दूसरों का सुनिए। आप मुझे सवाल कर रहे हैं, आप चाहते हैं कि मैं जवाब दूं। आपको सीधी तरह से मैं कह रहा हूं, 15 पीपल वर अरेस्टेड, 22 पीपल वेंट मिसिंग आफ्टर द रेड्स। डर के मारे भाग गए थे दुर्गा नागपाल जी से। 2090 से ज्यादा ट्रक्स को उन्होंने रोका था। 82 लाख 82 lakhs fines she took, and she had said that the contractors, it is known, जहां पे जितने contractors चल रहे थे जो माफिया के काम कर रहे हैं वो सब उनके political links थे, and she was going after them. You have tried to scare her. Mr. Nawab, आपने सोचा नहीं था कि सारी देश, the whole country will come and stand up with her. Let me get another point of view in 1 second. Arun Bhatia, you're listening to this conversation.
ये पूरे देश की जनता इस बात को देख रही है कि हम उनको उनका ट्रांसफर नहीं कर सकते थे।
आप
दीवार बनाने के उनको
आप पहले तो आप देखिए आप अलग देखिए,
उनका ट्रांसफर भी कर सकते थे।
देखिए 1 सेकेंड, नो ये कर सकते थे। ये कोई आपका ऐसा कोई ये ब्रिटिश राज नहीं चल रहा है। आप इलेक्ट हुए हैं, आपके भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज है और आपके भी ड्यूटीज हैं। यू आर नॉट, नो एक समझ लीजिए प्लीज, आप योर पार्टी हैज बीन इलेक्टेड, यू डोंट ओन उत्तर प्रदेश। आप उत्तर प्रदेश आपकी प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है जो आप कुछ भी करा सकते हैं। आपकी प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है, नहीं आपका प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है। दुर्गा शक्ति मैं इल्जाम नहीं लगा रहा, मैं ये कह रहा हूं और ये मैं आभा सिंह जी से पूछने वाला हूं कि वो लॉयर है, आप उनसे पूछ लीजिए कि दुर्गा शक्ति was following the Supreme Court directives on religious structures. The demolition, if there was a wall which was demolished, it was done on following the Supreme Court order which restricts the construction of any religious structure without the permission of the local administration.
Yes, absolutely. She was carrying out the orders of the Supreme Court. If you are saying you are suspending her, what about the district magistrate? What about the superintendent of police? Communal tension is a law and order problem for which the DM and SP are to be held responsible, not this SDM. It is very clear that because she was arresting the contractors who are funding your party, who are giving money to you politicians, that is why the message had to go to all the honest people in your state that dare you touch our people, we will not transfer, we will suspend you. You are trying to destroy the system of the country. It is not one person, it is a message, and it is shocking that you are saying we took her. It is she who has got through the IAS. It had to be an IAS officer. Had it not been this, and another thing which is shocking is that the DOPT minister says that we are waiting for a report to come from UP when the whole central government can see what is the cabinet secretary doing, what is the prime minister doing. Why can't, when you can have Colgate, for that no rules are followed. For 2 Babuji, no rules. But in suspension, rules are being followed.
And this is so unfair. You see what is happening here. What is happening here, Arun Bhatia, you've seen your own time. But you know, Durga Shakti we are talking about, she's 28-year-old. We've got Ashok Khemka, who's probably 20 years her senior. These two people represent a rare breed of fearless, honest, brave and incorruptible IAS officers. And you know what Ashok Khemka got for it, Arun Bhatia? He got transferred 43 times in 21 years. And we are worried today that the same system wants to crush the spirit and co-opt Durga Shakti. They want to co-opt her and crush her. And that's why there is concern. What do you think of what's going on, Arun Bhatia?
Yes, sir, that's why an apology, you're demanding an apology. That's not enough. They have to apologize, and we have to make sure that this doesn't happen, and that senior officers like the Chief Secretary and the Secretary of the Department of Personnel act without being arbitrary and crooked. So the real culprits are those who have signed the suspension order. They have to be held accountable. Suspend them. Charge sheet them.
Whom?
So this doesn't happen in future.
Yeah.
And innocent officers are not sacrificed. That's the first thing, sir. Second thing is, this politician who's on your panel just now, I was on another program with him, and this guy keeps giving this argument, two arguments. First he says, danga hone ki sambhavta thi. This is sheer nonsense. Riots will not take place if the gundas of these political parties are not allowed to come onto the streets.
Well said.
I was there in Delhi in 1984. They let the situation simmer, let it explode, tell the administration to wait, and then they step in after 2 days and control it within 4 hours. The lesson to be learnt is there is no problem of rioting. The state is very powerful, sir. The Qazi military forces, the police forces, the army, they can stop a riot within a matter of minutes. And when there is fear of an effective curfew, these elements will not come onto the street. So this politicians keep saying danga hone ki shakti sambhavta.
झूठ बोल रहे हैं आप.
Bullshit.
झूठ बोल रहे हैं आप बुकल नवाब जी. कोई दंगा होने की संभावना नहीं थी. वहां के पुलिस ऑफिसर्स जो थे वो खुद बोल रहे हैं कि कोई टेंशन नहीं था. आप उन्होंने ये भी कहा है कि आप वेरीफाई कर लीजिए मीडिया पर्सन से जो प्रेजेंट है जीबी नगर में, किसी को पता भी नहीं था कि इस डेमोलिशन के बारे में. आप लोग इस चीज को इशू बनाना चाहते हैं.
नहीं हम आपकी बात मानने को तैयार हैं.
बहाना मत बनाइए.
बहाना है ये यूपी सरकार का.
एक मिनट. आप कह रहे हैं कि दंगा होने की कोई संभावना नहीं थी, और आप जिस तरीके से कह रहे हैं इसी तरीके से जैसे केदारनाथ में बादल फटने की कोई भी संभावना नहीं थी, दंगा होने की संभावना नहीं थी, इसका सर्टिफिकेट कौन देगा? ये आप जो बैठे हुए हैं या मीडिया के ऊपर.
No, 1 minute, Bukal Nawab ji. The question is very clear. No, question is very clear. Arun Bhatia is responding to you. The question is very clear. You have a situation where you are saying this woman was creating communal disturbance. Local police in Uttar Pradesh have refuted the claim, saying they had not received any field report regarding communal tension in GB Nagar. In fact, the demolition of the wall in question was so quiet an affair that the local police did not even mention it in their general diary in the police station till Sunday. आपको बहाना चाहिए एक ऑनेस्ट ऑफिसर को विक्टिमाइज करने के लिए. अरुण भाटिया is responding to you. Yes, Arun Bhatia, go ahead.
सर, अगर दंगा होने की संभावना भी थी, even if it was possible that there would be a riot as a result of breaking this wall, you still break the wall, enforce the law and control the riot. If you have good governance, effective governance, you've got your strength on the streets, there will be no riot. These politicians pamper these elements. Why should there be a mosque over there? Why not a school, a dispensary, a health center? Why not these things? In principle, religious buildings should not be allowed on public land.
Precisely.
This is simple land grabbing. They are grabbing government land.
I now want to get, I want to get in KTS Tulsi, Vani Tripathi coming to you, Mr. Sanjay Bose Reddy coming to you. Sorry for not having come to you so far. KTS Tulsi, when Ashok Khemka took on Robert Vadra, and Ashok Khemka is also on the program today, I remember that you said that this decision of his was aimed at meeting his political aspiration. You had said that. You accused Ashok Khemka of being politically ambitious. Right? And Ashok Khemka took you on. And he said, I have no political aspiration. Isn't the problem with that kind of argument, Mr. Tulsi, that when an honest officer in our country tries to do his job, there are other people, influential people, including top lawyers of the country, like who question their urge to do their duty, Mr. Tulsi?
No, I'm not here to talk about Ashok Khemka today. Today I have been called to comment on the suspension, which is not only unethical, unfair, but is completely illegal. The suspension has been made, the order of suspension is clearly in total violation of Rule 3 of the All India Services Discipline and Appeal Rules 1969. Rule 3 requires that before a member of the All India Services is placed under suspension, the articles of charge have to be drawn up. And the articles of charge, if the media reports are correct, have not been drawn up before the order of suspension was served.